Mistake 1. Dressing for the body you used to have. This is the biggest one, and it is rarely talked about honestly. Many women keep buying the same size and cut they wore 20 years ago, even as their shape has naturally shifted. Clothes that used to skim now pull or gap in the wrong places, and that creates a look that feels slightly off, even if you cannot pinpoint why. The fix is not about buying bigger or smaller. It is about buying for your body today and getting key pieces tailored so they sit properly on your current shape. A $5 hem or waist adjustment can completely transform how a garment looks on you. Mistake 2. Too many prints or textures at once. A floral top with a patterned scarf and a textured cardigan feels put together in the moment, but the eye does not know where to land. Too many competing patterns create visual noise instead of visual interest. The fix is simple. Pick one statement piece per outfit, whether that is a print, a texture, or a bold color, and let everything else around it stay quiet and simple. This single rule instantly makes outfits look more intentional. Mistake 3. Ignoring fabric quality. Almost every closet has this one. A stiff, shiny, or overly synthetic fabric can make even a well-fitted outfit look cheap and dated, while a soft, natural-feeling fabric makes even a simple basic tee look elevated. This is not about spending more money. Some of the best fabric choices are budget-friendly. You just have to feel before you buy. Run your hand across the fabric. If it feels stiff or plasticky, it will likely look that way on camera and in person too. Mistake 4. Over-accessorizing. A watch, 3 rings, a necklace, earrings, and a scarf all at once can dilute an otherwise great outfit. Each piece is fighting for attention instead of supporting the whole look. The fix is choosing 1 or 2 focal accessories and letting the rest go. A single statement necklace, or 1 great pair of earrings, does far more work than 5 smaller pieces combined. Mistake 5. The wrong shoe height for the outfit. This one quietly throws off proportions more than people realize. A flat shoe under a longer hemline can visually shorten the whole leg line, while the wrong heel height with certain pants can make an outfit feel unbalanced. The fix is paying attention to proportion, not just comfort. A small heel or a pointed flat can lengthen the leg dramatically compared to a rounded, flat shoe, especially with midi lengths. The sneaky one. Matching 2 perfectly. Here is the twist. Many women think matching everything exactly is the safest choice. Same tone top and bottom, matching bag and shoes. But matching 2 perfectly can actually look stiff and overly formal in everyday settings. The fix is intentional imperfection. Let one piece slightly break the matching, a different tone, a contrasting accessory, something that signals the outfit was chosen thoughtfully rather than assembled like a uniform. So there you have it, the small styling mistakes quietly holding outfits back, and the simple fixes that instantly make everything look more put together. None of this requires a new wardrobe or a big budget. It just requires a little more attention to fit, fabric, and balance. If this helped you look at your closet a little differently, subscribe to Glow and Thrive. We post videos like this every week. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these 5 mistakes did you spot in your own closet? I read every single comment, and I would love to hear from you.